How to sign out of Alibaba app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sign out of Alibaba app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to sign out of the Alibaba app, if I open up Alibaba application here, you can currently see that I'm basically signed into my account. So if I want to sign out, tap on the My Alibaba option from the bottom right of the screen. Now if I scroll down here, you can see there is no such options, so instead I can just tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the top right hand side. Then here you'll find an option that says sign out. So now I can tap the sign out button, tap on the yes button, and I will get successfully signed out of Alibaba. That's all it takes to sign out of Alibaba. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.